presenting the best DIY hair oil to treat hair fall and get long thick hair at home. If you are desperate to grow hair fast, watch the video till the end, because this homemade hair oil will give you a magical result in just 5 days, and you will experience massive hair growth. As this remedy is becoming so popular among the world, we will show you how to exactly make this homemade oil. Before starting, subscribe our channel and press the bell button to get our future updates. To make this oil, ingredients you will need 250 ml of coconut oil, 5 to 6 curry leaves, and 2 chopped onion. Heat virgin coconut oil in a pan. After 5 minutes, add curry leaves. Then after 5 minutes, add onions. Turn on heat for the next 15 minutes. You will see the onions turn dark brown. Then turn off the heat and let it cool down for overnight. In the next morning, filter the oil with the help of a strainer and store it in a jar. Or you can also skip all this step and buy this hair fall treatment oil. This is Teal and Terra Hairfall oil. It has the same ingredients and you will get the same benefits. And also they use amla in their ingredients, so you will get more nutrition in your hair. If you want to buy this, find the best buy link in the description. Now let's see how to apply this hair oil. Gently massage your scalp and hair with this mask. Massage the oil and leave it for 20 minutes and then apply shampoo on your hair. You will see an amazing result after just one time use. Your hair fall will stop and you will start gaining new hair. Apply this oil 2 times every week to get long, thick and shiny hair permanently. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. To get more videos, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, stay healthy, stay happy.